Jokes of Pathans. In the South Asian subcontinent, jokes of Pathan, Khan, and Sardars, Sikhs, are famous. They are simple, loving, and intelligent people, but I do not know why there are thousands of jokes about them. Joke 1. Pathan, to air hostess. You look a lot like my wife. Air hostess, stop the nonsense. Pathan, oh my god. Your way of talking is also similar to my wife. Joke 2. Pathan, if the government comes into my hands and I get power, I will change the destiny of the country. Wife, first you change your trouser. You have been walking around wearing mine since morning. Joke 3. Pathan, show me cloth for shirt. Salesman, sir, do you like plain or in print? Pathan angrily, no, show me in helicopter. Child of Satan, wherever you see a Pathan, you start joking. The fiancé of Pathan said to the Pathan, my mother likes you very much. Pathan blushed from shyness, embraced and said, but whatever, I will marry with you. Ask your mother to forget me. Joke 5. A Punjabi traded Kalashnikov in Peshawar. Khan, if you want to take it here, then 50,000. If you want to give the delivery home, then 100,000. Punjabi, take this 100,000 but deliver it to my house in Lahore. Khan, okay, call me after reaching home. On reaching home, the Punjabi, yes Khan sir, I've reached home. Khan, okay, a Kalashnikov is strapped to the bottom of your car.